How to order GrubHub for someone else. Let's get started. Launch your GrubHub app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Start by selecting a restaurant. GrubHub has a wide range of options, so whether your friend loves sushi or is craving pizza, you'll find something perfect. Once you have picked a restaurant, it's time to choose the meals. Browse through the menu and add whatever you think they will love. Now this is the crucial part. When you are ready to check out, make sure to enter the delivery address of the person you are sending the food to. Double check to ensure it's correct. Proceed to check out. Here you can review your order, choose the delivery time, and then enter your payment details. After placing the order, GrubHub offers a feature to share the order details. This way the recipient can track the yummy surprise in real time. In case something goes wrong, like a mix-up in the order or delay, don't worry. Just reach out to GrubHub's customer support. And that's it, you have just made someone's day with a delicious meal. Well, this is how you can easily order for someone else on GrubHub. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.